Hello, and welcome to our installation guide for reflective ground covers. In this video, we'll cover what reflective ground covers are, why you should install them, the step-by-step process for installing them, and how to remove and store them. Reflective ground covers are specialized mulches made of highly reflective material that is used in orchards to increase the amount of light that plants receive. They reflect the sunlight back onto the plants, providing more light for photosynthesis. This leads to better growth, increased yields, and improved crop quality. Reflective ground covers provide a range of benefits to farmers, including increased crop yields and quality, better plant growth, reduced water usage, protection against weeds. In addition to these benefits, reflective ground covers are also easy to remove and store. Now, let's dive into the installation process. Here are the steps to follow. Firstly, measure the area. Start by measuring the area you want to cover with reflective ground covers. This will help you determine how much material you'll need. Then, place the reflective ground cover on the ground. Lay the reflective ground cover on the ground. Make sure it's flat and covers the entire area you measured in step 1. After that, fix the reflective ground cover firmly. We recommend using ground pegs. Lay out all the components to get a good idea of what you have. Then, nail the ground pegs to the 4 sides of the ground cover, using 1 peg for every meter. This will keep the ground cover in place and prevent it from being blown away by wind. Finally, removal and storage. When your fruits have ripened, you can remove the ground covers and roll them up. Leave them in a dry place and you can reuse them for the next year. This makes them a cost-effective and sustainable option for agriculture. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can install and remove reflective ground covers in your orchard. Your fruit will be bigger and sweeter and more beautiful in color. Thanks for watching our installation guide for reflective ground covers, and we hope this video has been helpful. Learn more about our agricultural nettings and place your order. Protect your crops and ensure a successful harvest with EU Agro's high-quality nettings. Visit our website today. We hope we can cooperate with you in the future.